Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you here with Tiger Shark. I want to show you this 108 ounce stainless steel cat water fountain or pet water fountain that this brand sent to me for this video. You can see he's pretty happy with it, and I gotta tell you that it's so easy to use. This one doesn't have like a motion sensor or battery charger or whatever. This one is easy. Just plug and play. That's it. That's everything you need. But having a stainless steel body, that's the most important thing for your pets, for your cats, because plastic, sometimes can get like a little bit dirty or something like that. But this one is so easy to use, so easy to clean, and best of everything. Oh my God, my little boy. Mwah. I'm gonna actually switch to a closer look. But as I was just telling you before, this one is the best of both worlds. Like, you have a super quiet, a big, large, 108 ounces stainless steel water fountain that is super quiet, just because this section right here, it's a little bit more kind of like elevated. So the water, when it's falling down, is not making any noise. By the way, it comes with multiple filters, so you will be able to kind of like switch the filters, but you won't have to do that for a long time. I gotta say that this one, just for being a pet water fountain without any of those like super fancy features, it's actually really good. But more than anything, extremely quiet. So that is really important if you're going to have it in the living room where your TV is or something like that. By Tiger News. So I like it. He likes them. They like them. That is the most important thing for sure.